So yeah, I'm gonna use Photoshop to just do some digital art. It's nothing special about the digital art that I do. Instead of me having blank canvas, all I do is using Photoshop. It's like a digital equivalent of a scratch pad or a drawing note, basically. So there's not much of an effect that I do. So for example, I'm doing this tiger, trying to kind of open. So I've just taken a random Siberian tiger. It looks magnificent over here, but I'm trying just to mimic this. So I have some few brushes. So I'll just run the pressure brush. So I do have a Huion scratch pad. It's a digital graphical tablet. It's connected to my laptop. I just what I do is you just have to play with these values, basically, like the size of your brush. Basically, when you are shading, you increase it or decrease it, and you generally have a hard round brush. So this depends on that. So I'm just doing a sketch, basically. If you can see here, like this texture, just this kind of a thing. Yeah, I'm just kind of following the pattern, but then I can use let's say if I did a mistake, I can do an eraser option, and this is the E. I just press E and it goes to eraser, and I can just erase things up. And if I just don't know, for undo, I just do Control Z. So that's the best part of digital scratch pad, is that you're not wasting paper, and it's very easy to erase, right? So that's the only pro that I have. And then you can actually have the colors also blend in pretty easily. So currently I'm just doing this guy. Let me add a feature, and also you can zoom in. For instance, I want to zoom into this, so I can you have to just do a bit more shortcuts. But over here, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get this texture over here. So there are some shortcuts, and I take advantage of. See, you can make as fine as you can. So this is the process that I follow here, and of course it is a little bit, sometimes you don't get the feel of it in the digital art, but I guess the pros outshine the kind of negatives of it. They say you should. So for instance, I just didn't like this gradient, so I'm just gonna just change that. So yeah, so this is my flow. Hope you like it. Thanks.